What I want you to do is you're going to put your books away, you're going to get your iPad, anything you need to write. The first thing you're going to do is get a Post-it note. In order for me to help be responsive to you, I want you to write on a Post-it note how I can help you. So whether that is through looking at your writing on Google Docs, giving you comments, maybe it's something for slides, maybe you have a question about the presentation on Thursday. All I want you to do is write on this Post-it your name. What I want you to do is share so I can be responsive to you. What's up everyone? Here's a quick plug just before I get back into some conferencing with some kids. The students are currently writing their work onto Google Docs. I don't love using the iPads for this. We are doing it in the classroom. I think that students should be on laptops or in the computer lab actually using typing skills. But for right now, they're doing it on their iPads. We have kind of gone through the drafting phase in regards to writing a number of stories. I think it's extremely important that we are simply writing, and then finally deciding if time permits to create something that is a little bit more polished. I am a strong believer in volume. I'm not a big person on final products, but we are creating a final project for our edX Junior event, which will be on Thursday. I'm super excited to share a little bit more about that a little bit later. Until next time, check out some of my conferencing. It's definitely still a work in progress, but for now, this is what I'm up to.
I'm here today because I want everybody in the school to have flexible seating. My greeting is, greetings everyone. Are you comfortable? What do you think?
Yeah, can I compliment you for a second?
Yeah.
Well, of course I can compliment you. I'm super excited for when you get on stage because I feel like you have a plan, for one, and your introduction has like a very, very strong presence. Like, can you read your introduction again?
I'm here today because I want everybody to have flexible seating.
You said I want.
I want.
I want.
It's just like a demand.
It's exactly like a demand. So I'm ready. So what I'm thinking in my head, I'm looking right now, I'm like, when I see him on stage, he's fired up. One thing I want you to think about is once you get to your evidence piece, make sure that your evidence piece, all of them kind of go in order. You know what I mean?
What do you mean?
So I'll show you. What is your first reason why we should have flexible seating?
Because it's really comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yeah, and yeah, no, it doesn't really.
Then what did you say after that?
So all I said was, I think we should all have flexible seating in our classroom because it's unfair.
Okay.
And two, people need to be comfortable. For example, on the first day of school to the second grade, I had no flexible seating. We had to sit in our assigned spots. But when I got to Mr. Gray's class, he gave us everything. Thank you.
So I'm wondering, listening, what if there's someone out there that doesn't know what flexible seating is? What are the things in this classroom, and let's name them right now. What are the things in this classroom that make it flexible seating and comfortable for you?
Ball, couch, chair, pillows.
Chairs. Is it just any types of chairs or different types of chairs?
Cushions.
Cushions. They're called cubbies. What else? Call those. You know what they call them? They call them nooks.
Why?
I don't know. They call them nooks.
How about hideouts? Yeah,
You
little
call them
hideouts.
hideouts? What is this going to give you for your writing?
Information.
Information. But what else? Starts with the E.
Evidence.
Evidence.
Yes, I might say, thank you for the comfortable seating. And I'm going to read all these.
When you're finished adding these, come back. I'm gonna help you with your last paragraph, okay?
Okay.
All right? Yeah, so that's the gist of my writing lesson for today. I didn't do any mini lessons today. I basically just got right into the writing. I showed the students some presentations on TED Talks just to get them in the mindset of thinking about presenting. What does it look like? Today I'm doing a lot of small conferencing. You know what? Now that I think about it, I may just do all conferring up until Thursday, because then it allows me to kind of get a little bit closer in on what students are up to. And right now we're all dived in, we're all focused, and we're excited about the event. So we'll see what happens. Until next time, I'm out. Stay in the gray area. Peace.